In this video, I'll be teaching you a intraday trading strategy without any indicators and which is very simple and which is very easy to follow. Okay, so this is a kind of a formation. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a intraday trading strategy without any indicators and which is very simple and which is very easy to follow. Okay, so this is a kind of a formation. Okay, so we'll be using only 3 candlesticks and we'll be using 30 minutes candle time. Okay, that's a time frame chart, that is 30 minutes time frame chart what we'll be using. So I'll be teaching you this strategy, and when this formation occurs you will really find a very good trade and a very good movement. Okay, so you can almost make up to 1% profit of the stock. So how you can do this and what is the strategy? So I'll be telling you all the information regarding this, about the target and stop loss and risk reward ratio and how to use this strategy and how to pick the stock and everything. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. So I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make constant profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to make consistent money from stock market, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So this course is for the people who have to make the income from stock market, who can wish to trade and wish to make a regular income from the stock market. Okay, so if you guys want to make consistent profit, you can join us today and don't miss out this opportunity to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, by being said that, now let me share you the strategy itself. So for this strategy, you need to find the formation what I'll be telling you now. Okay, so the formation is very simple, a candle formation where the high and low of the candle will be covered by the previous candle's high and low. Okay, so now let me show you that with an example. So here is a example of today's ICICI Bank. So this is a candle what you can see here, and this is its high and this is its low, and inside this high and low one candle is formed here. Okay, so now what you have to do is, once this formation is formed, once this candle breaks its high, you need to buy, and once this candle breaks the low, you need to sell. Okay, so as you can see, the high got broke and the stock went all the way up. So the high was almost 406.65. So once it broke it high, it went all the way up till 414.80, and low was not triggered, so there was no sell side. Okay, so let me show you a few of the examples so which you'll understand easily. Okay, so for this strategy you need to keep watching a few of the stocks in your watch list and then find the formation happening. Okay, so again, and as I said, you should always use 30 minutes candle. So now let me show you the other example. So this is a example of VEDL, that's Vedanta. So here you can see this is a candle. So this candle high is here and the low is here, and as you can see the next candle what it happened was inside this high and low. Okay, so any candle forming inside the high and low of a previous candle you can take into the consideration. Okay, so this candle high is 144.60 and the low is 143.80. So if the high breaks you will buy and if the low breaks you will sell. So as you can see the high got broke, that is 144.60, and the stock went all the way up till almost 150.10. That was a straight up movement. Okay, so this is how it's performed. So now let me go to the other stocks so that I'll show you a few of example and you guys will understand it. Okay, so here again in BPCL, so this is a high and this is a low. Here it is not formed, this is a high, it is not formed. So here it has formed. So this is a high of the candle and this is a low of this candle, and inside this high and low one candle is formed here. As you can see the small candle, now mark the high of that small candle and the low of that small candle. Now if the high is 382.40 and the low is 380.85, so if a high breaks you will buy and if the low breaks you will sell. So as you can see the high got broke and the movement was very good again, and the stock went all the way up till almost 3 411.85, almost 20 points plus movement was found here. Okay, so this is how the strategy is working. Okay, so it's very simple. The thing is you need to find out which stock is giving this for formation, and you have to wait for it and observe for it and have patience to make this trade. Okay, so this is a very good strategy what I've been observing for the few days, and it's working quite good. Okay, so you guys can back test it, and also you guys can see in live market and let me know how you feel about this strategy. And also I'll be doing a live trading in the next few days by using this strategy, so by that you can understand the strategy easily. Okay, and also if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit, and if you guys want to get almost 95% accuracy strategies to make consistent income from intraday trading, you can join my course. In that I'll be guiding you more accurate strategies and more simple strategies with how to pick the stocks, and everything will be covered. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, and if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also if you guys like this strategy, do give a like for this video and also share this video. So thank you for watching this video.